To add properties to your individual HubSpot deal pipeline stages, click on the gear settings icon in your top navigation menu. This will open up the setting preferences for your account. From here, in the left side menu, scroll down to Sales and click on Deals. This will open up a table view of your pipeline. From here, we can see that we have a column to update stage properties. Simply scroll down to the stage you'd like to edit and click the Edit Properties button. This will open up a menu full of default properties you can add to your stage. Simply check off the ones you want to add, and they'll be added to your selected properties column on the right. To make them required, simply hit the Required button and hit Next. You should see that your properties have been added to the stage you just edited, with the required ones being starred.